The Ethiopian Orthodox Church is a source of salvation, you know. Primarily, it is untainted, the Christianity, and it, you know, will help us towards the kingdom of heaven, you know, because of the rich history in terms of coming all the way from Africa, you know. Sometimes people tend to not want to gravitate towards it because of misconception, you know. But when you spend a little time to know about the history, it will help you in terms of, you know, open up your understanding in terms of, you know, more deeper appreciation for your identity, because it allows you as an African to identify more with your roots, you know, and it has this anciency. The challenges that are there is really more togetherness, you know, and more outreach, you know, for us to find ways of connecting more, you know, with our brothers and sisters out there, whether by social media or, you know, other platform, to bring, you know, more awareness about, you know, how long the church has been here and the impact that it has made and what it can offer, you know, to connect all of us and unite all of us together through Christ.